welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So I am excited. I am back to filming. Yay! So as you can see from the title down below, today we have another unboxing of Tayst coffee. Now, I unboxed this for them one time before a couple of months ago, and they very kindly sent me another box. So I'm excited to open this and share this with you. I am going to go over some information that I do have about this box and something they're doing right now so that you are aware. But first, let me again say welcome. I do appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my videos. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And guys, don't forget, we do have a couple active giveaways. They will be linked down below. So this, like I said, is Tayst coffee. Now, what they sent me is the Mix It Up mid-range box. So it's gonna have 4 bags of coffee and some other stuff in there. There are 3 different tiers of the gift boxes to choose from, and it says one for every budget. Inside the tiers, customers can somewhat customize their box by choosing to receive bold coffee, medium coffee, flavors, or to mix it up. And then it says if you do go to their site and want to subscribe for monthly deliveries, there are discounts available. You're going to click on Get Started at Tayst.com. I will put that link down below. It says, for example, 50 cups a month with a subscription is $35 with $5 shipping, compared to buying a one-time box of 50 cups at $38.89 with $8 shipping. So it does save you if you sign up for the subscription. This is definitely something, if you're a coffee lover like me, that is great to have. It's also something if you own like a small business and you want to have coffee for your employees. This is a way to kind of mix it up, have different options available, because everyone, you know, typically likes different types of coffee. But I will put a link to Tayst coffee down below if you would like to sign up. Otherwise, let's get in here and see what we got. All right. It says serious coffee inside. All right, and here it says, hey there, inside are some cups of coffee, but not just any cups of coffee. This coffee is awesome. This coffee will make you love drinking it. It's special in so many ways. Its flavors are remarkable. It's made from beans picked with hands that care. Why do they care? Well, because each cup you drink helps their families, community, and supports the what's right in this world. What's better is that the pods are 100% compostable, no plastic. I love that, you guys. And I said, yay. So they fertilize the planet. We call it from the earth and back again. So drink up, drink it down, and enjoy the fruits of earth. Good karma awaits. Let's go. That was on the back side. So let's get in here and see. All right, so this is so cute. So this is what it looks like when we open it. So there is some twine and some cute little Tayst coffee paper clips that were here holding this. Cute little note. Oh, and that... So these actually, and I didn't even know this, y'all. I'm glad I read this. These actually are because your pods are in like the little bags. These are so you can roll down the bag and keep them closed. Helps if you read things. All right, so it says, hey, Nikki, happy holidays. We hope you and your fans enjoy our new gift boxes. So thank you so much again to Tayst Coffee for sending this to me to share with you guys. I do greatly appreciate it. Now let's get in here and untie this and see what we got. Y'all, the last time there was a coffee and it was like a vanilla cream. Oh my gosh, y'all, it was seriously like the best coffee I have ever had, ever. All right, so the very first thing on top is a canvas tote, and it says, save the earth, it's the only planet with coffee. I care, do you? So we have that. So that is a nice little tote you could take to the grocery store. So I like that. I thought a balanced diet was holding a coffee in both hands. This is so, I just love this. Y'all, it's in here again. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is it. Vintage vanilla cream. That's what it was. Y'all, this is like seriously the best coffee ever. All of their coffees were really good. This one was just, this, I mean, typically I use a vanilla creamer or something, but the flavor of this was just amazing. Like this one right here, if you like vanilla when it comes to coffee, the vintage vanilla cream, absolutely. Highly, highly recommended. And then we have Happy Hazelnut. So another flavored coffee. That's why this is the mix it up. So it's going to have a variety of different coffees. Or you could choose to get all of the same, whatever, you know, you prefer. So there is a hazelnut. And then we have, oh, this is going to be a strong one. Bold and Brazen. Now, this is not a flavored coffee. It's just going to be a good, strong coffee. Yum. Okay. And then we have medium and heroic. So this is a medium roast. Right there. And then you can tell right here, they have different little beans. So like the medium roast is 4 out of 5. The bold and brazen was all 5. The vintage vanilla cream is 3 out of 5. And so is the hazelnut, Happy Hazelnut. So these two are definitely like a lighter roast. And then we have the like full-blown bold and brazen dark roast, and then the medium roast. So a good variety. And there's still one more thing in here. Wrapped up. Oh, it's, I got one of these last time. Now I have 2. It's a Tayst coffee cup. And here on the back, it's like the same quote, the save the earth is the only planet with coffee. I think the one I got last time was red, so I have some different ones. So yay. And it's ceramic, and y'all, this mug is just like awesome. I love this mug. It's like a good old ceramic campfire style mug. It's amazing. So that is what was in the Tayst coffee. Like I said, this is one of their holiday boxes. And so we got the cup, we got the bag, and then the 4 different options of the coffee. So, and again, you can personalize with this as far as whether you want all flavors, if you want to mix it up like this was the mid-range, he said. So, there's obviously 3 different boxes. So there's one that's going to have a little less than what this has, and one that has a little more, probably has one more bag of coffee. So like I said, I will put a link down below to Tayst Coffee, so you could definitely check them out. It makes a great gift. You know, the holidays are right around the corner, so if you're looking for a gift for a coffee lover, this is a great one. So not only do they get to try some really amazing coffee that is good for the planet because it's compostable, they're also going to get a good, nice mug and a canvas tote. And again, you guys, I can't stress enough that this vintage vanilla cream is just the best coffee, literally, I think I've ever had. There's just something about the flavor of this coffee. You know, the first time I unboxed it, I hadn't actually tried it, so I couldn't fully go into detail about the flavors of the coffee, but I can tell you that it is just so amazing. And it's got it's a full-bodied coffee. It's just delicious. Like, I don't know. I mean, I am so excited. I like want to go make a cup of coffee right now. So I highly recommend this, especially, like I said, if you're a coffee lover, if you're looking for something to get someone for the holidays that is a coffee lover, this is it right here. Check it off your list. So, like I said, the link to their website will be down below. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.